All right, this next challenge is called Pop and Drop. For this challenge, you're gonna need a basket. I actually got this basket at the Dollar Tree, so you can go and find a bunch of those there if you would like for this challenge or any other challenge that we're doing on here. And you're gonna need a pillow and some sock balls and a spot to mark your starting point about 5 feet away, 5 steps as well from your target. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your sock ball, put it on your pillow, and then you're gonna pop it and try to get it to go into your basket. It'll look something like this. Let's see if I can get it in there. Oh, that was close. If it goes in, give yourself 1 point. I got a few sock balls here. You can have a rebounder there tossing them back to you as well. But basically that's it. You're gonna set your timer for a minute and see how many times you can make your sock ball into your target in 1 minute. Good luck.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.